guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how your Sims can complete their daily tasks on for their work. So, oh my gosh, she's very hungry. Okay, so select this icon here, and it says the daily task is to read books. So I have a bookshelf here. I'm just going to select it. Then I'm going to select read something, or you can select read and read a specific book. I'm just going to fast forward it, and as you can see, it says just started, and I'm just going to fast forward it, and as you can see now, it's 25% done. And you're just going to keep reading or doing whatever the daily task is until it says completely done, 100% done. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!